Hey everybody, it's Neil, and if you have a laptop computer and you're using it on a table and stuff like that, you're always using it at a certain angle. But if you have a desire to change that up, this is for you. Look at this here. It's a laptop stand. And this one here is shaped like a cat. Not that I have a huge affinity for cats, but this is what it looks like here. And it's kind of blue, and it has a little sticker here with something in Chinese. I don't speak Chinese, so I'll just remove the sticker. It's probably some sort of inspection sticker. Okay, so this is the device here. It's fairly light and easy aluminum, and the way it works, but it's got a really tight hinges on here because you can aim it however you want. So if I want to have my laptop here and aim it like this, I could put it there, put that on it there, and aim it up like so. And so this gives me a better angle for my screen and everything. If I wanted to do it like right now where I'm standing up, I could give myself some height. Sorry, I have a bad wrist, so that's why I'm doing it, moving it weird. But you get the idea here, so I can just give it some height, so then I can be working at a certain height. It's great, like some sort of cash register or standing desk or something like that. To be standing, I could be using it right here. That's really cool. So I have lots of different options with this here. Let me show you guys it. It's got a little bit more. It can even go up even higher, like that. So you could have that if you're trying to give a presentation or something. You could even have it like that to display it for other people. That was a little far back, but there you go. So lots of different options with this screen thing here. It's got rubber right there to hold it all into place, and here too, so it's not gonna scratch any of your things. And then look at that, it just looks like a cute little cat. And this one here has kind of got a blue theme. It's got rubber on here too, so it won't scratch your desk either. So lots of different options with this one here. It came with this other little sticker here. I'm not sure what that is for. I guess that's just the brand label. You could stick it anywhere if you really wanted to, or just if you need a little rubber sticker. But very cool. And then when you want to put it away, just push it all back down, and nice and convenient. You can probably put this in your backpack and take it with you if you needed to as well. So nice to have a laptop stand. So thumbs up on that.